Okay, what's going on there?
That's my sound machine. I'm a troubled sleeper. Kinda hooked on it.
I always wondered who bought those.
Actually, it was a gift.
Oh, from...
Yeah, Lauren.
Yeah.
She hated it when I tossed and turned. It was her therapist's idea.
So you gonna be okay here?
Absolutely. Go.
Hey, Jack, it's Lauren. Call me. I want to talk to you.
You don't want your new boyfriend to still be in love with the ex, but you don't want...
The problem is, what's going on there?
You okay?
No, I can't sleep.
It's the frogs. I'll turn it off.
No, it's not the frogs. It's Lauren.
What about her?
I was hoping to skip this and start fresh.
You know, she keeps calling here. She wants to go out to lunch for closure. That's her word.
She thinks it's important in order to move on.
What do you think?
She cheated on me. That's how it ended.
I was just calling to tell you that we won't be having any more of those calls.
Why is that?
Because we're just friends now. I started seeing someone.
Okay, kid.
It's the newest sound machine they make with many other sounds besides frogs. I don't care for frogs.
New start, new sound.